Wow, you guys are already to the brown belt and your ninja badge slides earning. So once again, on brown belt, I'm gonna take these directions and copy them and come over to my slideshow that I've been working on throughout my badge time. I'm gonna go ahead and paste these instructions so that I don't have to flip back and forth. The first thing we're gonna do is edit the video on slide 4, and we're gonna crop it to be no more than 10 seconds, add a drop shadow, and mute the audio. I'm gonna go ahead and just copy this section and go up to slide 4 where my video is. I'm gonna put my directions down here in the notes section just so I don't have to flip back and forth once again. So to crop a video, this is so cool. So inside of slides, I can grab a video, and I know it's grabbed or selected because the blue outline is here. And I'm gonna choose Format Options. Then over here on the right, all of these cool things come up. So I'm gonna press Video Playback, and as the direction says, I can only show 10 seconds. So what I think you should do is go through and choose the 10 seconds that you think are most important for me to know, and then edit it that way. What this does is when it's presented, I only see those 10 seconds. Go ahead and pause the video and crop your video by changing the time. Now that you're back, it says add a drop shadow. So to add a drop shadow, it's also under the format. So one thing again, so let's say you've clicked out. You have to have the video or image or whatever you're editing open and click on format options for this menu to come up. So down here is drop shadow. So I have now turned it on, so I can just kind of play with how this looks, and you can see it just makes a little shadow box around it. So it's just a way to make your video and your slides look a little different. Go ahead and pause this video and play with that drop shadow. The last thing to do here with the video is to mute the audio. And this is mostly just to show you that this is available. So you have already edited this to be 10 seconds, and now you're going to mute the audio. Ha, great job. Go ahead and finish up editing your video. So we have done all of these things. I'm just gonna delete those. And now the brown belt says, edit the image you entered on slide 2 with 2 features of your choice. So I'm gonna go up to my slide 2 where I have added some images. And once again, I'm gonna close this and just see if it comes up. So when I select an image, and I know it's selected because the blue is around it, up here at the top, I get more options. So if it's not selected, I'm not gonna see these options. But when my image is selected, I get more options. So I'm gonna format the options, and I am just gonna change a few things. So I might just see what some of these things do, and your task for this was to make 2 adjustments to this image just to learn and explore. Go ahead and stop this video and format your images. All right, that's done. The last step in the brown belt is to add a slide on how editing images and videos is useful. And one more time, I'm not going to tell you my thoughts because I want to know yours. Congratulations on earning your brown belt.